Hello everyone. So in our previous section we discussed about a basic introduction to algorithms and data structure. Now in this section we'll mostly discuss about the analysis of algorithm. So what do we mean when we say analysis of algorithm? So before that we saw in our previous section that an algorithm is a set of instructions which we use to perform a task or to solve a given problem. So when we talk about analysis of algorithm, this set of instructions are very much important. And why they are important? Because in order to solve a given problem, there can be several different algorithms. So our analysis mostly deals in finding the best algorithm which runs fast and takes in less memory. So why we actually do that? Because let's say we are given a problem and we have 2 to 3 algorithms to solve that problem. But out of the 3 algorithms, one algorithm let's say takes 1 second, the other takes 5 seconds, and the third one takes 10 seconds. And similar with the memory. So we usually do analysis of those 3 algorithms and we take that algorithm which takes the less time, because if we take an algorithm which takes more time, then slowly our system will degrade and we have these performance issues. So let's say for example, we are given a problem to find sum of first n natural numbers. So the n natural numbers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So to our method, we are given a value n and we want to find its sum. So let's say if we input n equal to 4, so the output we get is 10. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 1 plus 2 gives 3, 3 plus 3 gives 6 and 6 plus 4 gives 10. So this is the sum of first 4 natural numbers. And similarly, let's say if we input n equal to 5, then we get output as 15. So when we do 1 plus 2 we get 3, 3 plus 3 we get 6, 6 plus 4 we get 10 and 10 plus 5 we get 15. So this is the sum of first 5 natural numbers. Now let's say we want to solve this problem. And let's say we have these 2 programmers who come up with their own algorithms. So Ramesh comes with one of the algorithm and Suresh comes with yet another algorithm. So here Ramesh is trying to find the sum of first n natural numbers using the mathematical formula, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. So here let's say if we input n equal to 5, so it will be 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 5 into 3 gives 15. So this is the mathematical formula which is directly using to find the sum of first n natural numbers. And here Suresh has written one algorithm which is what we discussed in our previous slide, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what he's actually doing is he's creating a variable sum, initializing it with 0 and is providing a for loop which starts from 1. So here I equal to 1 and this I will go till it's less than equal to n, and once this statement gets executed we are simply incrementing I by 1. So let's say if we input value of n as 5, so that start sum will be 0. So when this for loop will start execution, I becomes 1 and we check that 1 is less than 5 or not. So it is less than 5. Then we simply add 0 with 1 because some initial value is 0. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and 1 is assigned to sum. Now after this line, we increment I by 1. So I becomes 2. We check whether 2 is less than 5 or not. So 2 is less than 5. The value of sum is 1. So we do 1 plus 2. We get 3. We assign 3 to the sum now. Then we increment I by 1. So I becomes 3. We check whether 3 is less than equal to 5 or not. So it is less than equal to 5. So now as the value of sum is 3, we do 3 plus 3. we get 6. We assign 6 to the sum now. So sum becomes 6. Then we simply increment I by 1. So I becomes 4. 4 is less than equal to 5. So sum value is 6. We add 4 to it. So 6 plus 4 gives 10. And 10 is assigned back to sum. And then we again increment I by 1. So I becomes 5. We check whether 5 is less than equal to 5 or not. So I is less than or equal to 5. So sum value is 10. We add 5. We get 15. We assign 15 to sum. And then we increment I by 1. So I becomes 6. So now here you can see 6 is not less than equal to 5. So this for loop terminates. And the whatever value we have in sum, we simply return. So the value of sum is 15. So we simply say return 15. So friends, here you can see these are the two algorithms which can solve our problem of finding the sum of first and natural numbers. But there is no way to figure out that which algorithm is better than other. So in order to determine the best algorithm among these two algorithms, we usually check two things. One is the time complexity, that how much time these algorithms are taking to complete. And another is the space complexity, that how much memory this algorithm is taking to complete. So here in this section we discussed about the analysis of algorithm and its formal definition. In our upcoming lecture we will discuss more on what is time complexity and what is space complexity. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.